Can you hear something? Someone is crying. Everyone talks about the coronavirus these days. But have you ever thought we human beings might be the virus to the earth? And the real virus are the soldiers of the planet. They have lived in the planet for thousands of years, much longer than us humans. The Earth is using his way to force us to stay indoors and reduce activities as much as we can. So please let our blue planet to take a break. Stop partying, stop manufacturing, stop socializing for a while. Stay home until the coronavirus is gone. It's not only good for us, but also to protect our planet. And we still need to prepare to face the virus if we are unfortunately get infected. The only way to beat it is to boost your immune system. So eat healthy and exercise regularly is very important to us. And do you know some of the food will help us to get through this period? Number 1, lemons. Lemons are very rich in vitamin C. Drinking lemon water may reduce stress. Number 2, potatoes, taros, and sweet potatoes. This type of food are very fulfilling and it's a good source of fibers. But limit your consumptions of fries and chips and never eat potato sprouts. Number 3, garlic. Throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its health and medicinal properties. It helps to reduce the severity of common cold. Number 4, broccoli. Broccoli is high in many nutrients. It has more protein than most other vegetables. Recent research shows that gentle steaming provides the most health benefits. Number 5, salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 and several B vitamins. Canned salmon is a convenient and inexpensive option. Number 6, beans. We are talking about dry edible beans. They are a good source of protein for vegans, and they are also naturally fat-free. Number 7, dark chocolate. Cocoa or dark chocolate may improve brain functions by increasing blood flow. Number 8, avocado. Avocado is often referred to as a superfood, high in healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. Number 9, spinach. Spinach is an extremely nutrient-rich vegetable. It packs high amounts of carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron, and calcium. Number 10, walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals. They are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats.